Alright, hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Mr. Twister WX and we are going to be doing a weather update today. So on the GFS model you can see clearly we don't have much going on, just some snow and mainly rain in the Ohio Valley. But what we're going to be keeping an eye on is this January 6th snowstorm, 5th and 6th, that will move through Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, all these states. In Arkansas it'll be mainly rain, but the further north you go it'll be snow, and this will be the part where it splits for the most part. So this storm will move through and then it will move further east to the Ohio Valley and south. So that's what we're keeping an eye on. If we go ahead and look at the CMC, you can see once again that storm moves in on the 5th and then continues to move through the area on the 6th, and it goes through the Ohio Valley and parts of the Northeast. So this is going to be heavy snow. And then once we get to central and southern Missouri, it'll be mixed. Most of Kansas will see snow. Central and northern Oklahoma should see snow. But the further south you go, the warmer it will be and the less snow you should see. Now we're going to take a look at what has a lot of people concerned, which is the snowfall total. So this is today right now. We already have some snowstorms in Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Virginia. But as we move this through to, this is January 5th, and I believe this measurement is in inches. So 4 inches in parts of southern Nebraska. But once this storm moves through, this is very late on January 6th. In central and northern Missouri, you could be looking at 18 to 19 inches, with around 17 for the St. Louis area. Wichita, Kansas, seeing between 1 and 5, probably more like 3 or 4, I would say. Southern Missouri, 1 to 2. So 5 in eastern Kansas, 11 in Missouri. And really the only part of Oklahoma that should see that much snow is 1 inch in northern Oklahoma. So this will continue to move through also parts of central and southern Illinois at 13, 17 inches. Indiana, 15, 13, 13. Kentucky, northern Kentucky is at 13 and 11. Southern Ohio could see a foot of snow, 12 inches. So it's going to be pretty impressive snowstorms. And then another storm could move through this region the 10th and 11th, leaving their snowfall total combined at around 20 inches east of Kansas City. So that's absolutely crazy. That is almost 2 feet of snow. We will also be seeing thick ice with this that will affect tree branches, make roads icy. Power outages will be possible because the ice will get onto the power lines. So it's going to be very dangerous conditions when this storm starts on the 5th and the 6th. So you need to have a plan to not be leaving the house too much on these days. Bundle up for the cold weather, and please I think all the roads will be very... Now we're going to take a look at some severe weather we have coming back on a Saturday. So today, which is January 3rd, 2025, the current time is 10:26 Central. Just some general thunderstorms, nothing severe off the coast of central and western Oregon and northern California. Tomorrow, we have just some general thunderstorms in portions of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Day 3, which is Saturday, we have a slight risk of severe weather for Memphis, Tennessee, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Shreveport, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, and Lafayette, Louisiana. So this comes with a 15% threat, and we will have to wait until tomorrow's outlook to see what threats would come with this. But we can't say that there won't be an isolated tornado. This will probably be mainly a damaging wind threat, and we also could see some hail with this. So that's what we're looking at for severe weather in terms of our day 4, predictability too low, and I believe that stays the same with all day 4 through 8. Yeah, looks like it. So that is what we are looking at in terms of severe weather. Lastly, we are going to take a look at our fire weather outlook. So today, January 3rd, we have no areas. Tomorrow, we have a critical and elevated risk for portions of New Mexico that goes into northeastern, southeastern, and western. So this includes Albuquerque, Roswell, South Valley, Las Vegas, and Los Lunas. So upper level trough and attendant mid-level jet will move into the southern Rockies. Strong winds are probable, so we'll have low humidity, strong winds. And the day 3 looks like they are focusing on this area once again. So that's the day 3. So that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mr. Twister WX. If you enjoyed the video, please help me out by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and I will see you all in the next one.